Welcome to World Delicacies. Bangladeshi cuisine is a delightful blend of rich Mughlai influences and traditional Bengali flavors. From delectable street foods to hearty aromatic dishes, join us as we count down the top 20 Bangladeshi foods that truly capture the essence of this flavorful cuisine. Known for its emphasis on rice, fish, and an array of spices, the food scene here is vibrant and diverse. Get ready to explore the mouth-watering flavors and discover why Bangladeshi cuisine is a hidden gem waiting to be savored. Let's dive in! Starting our countdown at number 20 is kosha mangsho, a spicy mutton curry that's a staple in Bengali cuisine. This dish features tender pieces of mutton slow-cooked in a rich and flavorful gravy made with onions, tomatoes, and a blend of aromatic spices. Perfect with steamed rice or paratha, kosha mangsho is a must-try for meat lovers. At number 19, we have aloo pasto, a simple yet delicious potato dish cooked with poppy seeds. This vegetarian favorite combines soft potatoes with a creamy poppy seed paste, enhanced by the subtle flavors of green chilies and mustard oil. Aloo pasto is often enjoyed as a side dish with rice and dal, adding a rich nutty flavor to the meal. Coming in at number 18 is rasmalai, a popular Bengali dessert made from soft cheese balls soaked in sweetened, thickened milk. Flavored with cardamom and garnished with nuts, rasmalai's delicate texture and rich taste make it a delightful treat for any sweet tooth. It's often served during festivals and special occasions, adding a touch of sweetness to celebrations. At number 17, we have Bhuna, a slow-cooked beef curry known for its deep, rich flavors. Originating from Chittagong, this dish features succulent pieces of beef cooked in a dark, spicy gravy until melt-in-your-mouth tender. It's a hearty and satisfying meal that pairs perfectly with rice or bread, making it a popular choice for festive gatherings. Sipping its way into number 16 is Borhani, a traditional spiced yogurt drink often served at weddings and special occasions. This refreshing beverage is made with yogurt, mint, and a mix of spices, offering a perfect balance of tangy and savory flavors that aid digestion and complement rich meals. Its unique taste and cooling properties make it a favorite at Bengali feasts. Sweetening up our list at number 15 is Misti doi, or sweet yogurt. This beloved dessert is made by fermenting thickened milk with sugar or jaggery in earthen pots, resulting in a creamy, caramel-like yogurt that's both rich and refreshing. Often enjoyed after meals or during festivals, this sweet delight is a must-try for anyone with a love for traditional Bengali sweets. At number 14, we have rasgulla and cham cham, classic Bengali sweets made from china, or cottage cheese, and soaked in sugar syrup. These spongy, syrupy delights are a staple at celebrations and festivals, loved for their light, melt-in-the-mouth texture. Rasgullas are white and round, while cham-chams are typically oblong and come in various colors. Coming in at number 13 is faluda, a popular dessert drink that combines rosé syrup, vermicelli, sweet basil seeds, and milk, often topped with a scoop of ice cream. This colorful and refreshing treat is perfect for cooling down on hot days and adds a sweet ending to any meal. Its vibrant layers and mix of textures make it a favorite during the hot summer months. Simmering at number 12 is Bhuna Khichuri, a hearty dish made with rice, lentils, and meat, slow-cooked with a blend of spices. This comforting one-pot meal is perfect for rainy days, offering a warming and flavorful experience that's deeply satisfying. Often enjoyed with pickles, fried fish, or boiled eggs, Bhuna Khichuri is a versatile and beloved comfort food. Sliding into number 11 is Paratha, a versatile and beloved flatbread that's crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. Enjoyed with curries, pickles, or simply with butter, parathas are a staple in Bangladeshi households, loved for their flaky texture and rich taste. Whether for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, parathas add a satisfying crunch and buttery flavor to any meal. At number 10, we have rice with curry, vorta, raji, and dal, a traditional Bangladeshi meal that showcases the diversity of flavors in the cuisine. Wholesome plate includes steamed rice served with a variety of curries, mashed vegetables, leafy greens, and lentil soup, offering a complete and balanced dining experience. Each component brings a unique flavor, making this meal a staple in Bengali households. And grilling into number 9 is grilled chicken with naan roti, a popular dish featuring spiced and grilled chicken served with soft naan bread. This combination offers a delightful mix of smoky, juicy chicken and fluffy bread, making it a favorite for casual dinners and gatherings. The chicken is marinated in a blend of spices before grilling, ensuring a burst of flavor with every bite. At number 8, we have Haleem, a rich, slow-cooked stew made with wheat, barley, lentils, and meat. This nutritious and hearty dish is especially popular during Ramadan, offering a wholesome and filling meal that's packed with flavors and textures. The slow cooking process melds the ingredients into a creamy, savory stew that's both satisfying and nourishing. Sizzling into number 7 is Shami Kebab, a popular snack and appetizer made from minced meat mixed with spices and fried until crispy. These tender patties are perfect for entertaining, offering a savory and satisfying bite. Often served with a side of mint chutney, Shami kebabs are a hit at parties and family gatherings. Crunching into number 6 is Fuchka, the Bangladeshi version of pani puri. These crispy hollow puris are filled with tangy tamarind water, spicy potatoes, and chickpeas, creating a burst of flavors and textures that make it a beloved street food snack. Popular at street stalls, Fuchka offers a fun and flavorful eating experience. Fluffing into number 5 is Morag Pulao, a fragrant chicken and rice dish cooked with spices, yogurt, and ghee. Often served at special events, this dish offers a rich and aromatic experience that's a staple of festive Bangladeshi meals. The tender chicken and flavorful rice make Morag Pulao a favorite for celebrations and family gatherings. Warming up at number 4 is dal, a staple lentil soup that's a cornerstone of Bangladeshi cuisine. Flavored with spices and often served with rice or bread, dal offers a comforting and nutritious meal that's loved by all. Its simplicity and wholesome ingredients make it a daily favorite in many households. Creaming into number 3 is Chingri Malay curry, a luxurious dish made with prawns cooked in a creamy coconut milk gravy. Flavored with aromatic spices, this dish is a favorite for its rich taste and elegant presentation. The combination of tender prawns and creamy sauce creates a dish that's both indulgent and satisfying, perfect for special occasions. Fragrantly taking the second spot is Kacchi Biryani, a festive dish that's a highlight at Bangladeshi weddings. This luxurious rice dish features marinated mutton or occasionally chicken, layered with partially cooked rice, potatoes, and aromatic spices like saffron and cardamom. Slow cooked to perfection, the mutton becomes tender, and the rice absorbs all the rich flavors. Garnished with fried onions and boiled eggs, Kacchi Biryani is a feast for the senses and a true delight. Before we unveil the number 1 dish, let's dive into a fascinating aspect of Bangladeshi culture, the Boishakhi Mela. Celebrating the Bengali New Year, this vibrant festival features traditional music, dance, and an array of local handicrafts. Food stalls offer a variety of traditional dishes like pantabat and hilsa fish. The Boishakhi Mela is a beautiful showcase of Bangladeshi heritage, bringing people together to celebrate with joy and festivity. Topping our list at number 1 is Ilish Mach, the iconic hilsa fish curry that's the crown jewel of Bengali cuisine. This dish features the prized hilsa fish cooked in a rich mustard gravy that's both tangy and spicy. Known for its tender flesh and distinctive flavor, Ilish Mach is traditionally served with steamed rice. Revered for its cultural significance and exquisite taste, Ilish Mach truly represents the essence of Bangladeshi cuisine. Thank you for tuning in to another delicious episode of World Delicacies. We hope you loved exploring the top 20 Bangladeshi foods with us. Until next time, Shabruchi!